Hey guys, Ed here, and today we have this 2013 Dodge Avenger, and in this video I'll show you how to remove your radio in this car. So first thing we're gonna do, obviously get inside the car. Okay, so we have a radio here. What I'm using just a regular butter knife first. Okay, then we'll use star screwdriver, T-torque screwdriver. So first thing we're gonna do, you want to remove this panel here. Okay, this panel, like this thing here goes and this panel goes. It's very simple. Look, first thing you want to put your knife in here, in the middle, and okay, I'm going to push you guys here. So I'm putting it in here between the plastic and just unclip it. Okay, so we have this loose, and now we can just get our plastic off. It's being held by clips, and clips are pretty loose in this car. There should be more clips here, and I'm gonna try to somehow get it out. Took this thing out. Now first we're gonna disconnect this connector. There's a middle piece here, we press on it and it gets loose. Okay, so just press this thing and it's gonna disconnect from here. Okay, so we don't need this for now. Just gonna leave it here. Okay, so here's our radio. Now we get a torque screwdriver. Okay, so I got my T20 screwdriver. And now we're gonna remove these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Push you guys here, and let's go. Okay, so we have screws here. We'll just drop them in here. Now we can just wiggle the radio out like this. We have it out. Over here we have wires, so we have to disconnect them. These connectors have pins on the bottom, in the middle of them. So we just press on the pin and pull out like this. Something here. A little bit uncomfortable to do this with one hand. Here, press on the pin, pull out, and same thing here. Okay, so you have your radio here, and once you have the replacement radio, usually what you want to do, you want to get the same radio, same part numbers, but I have used other radios also and they worked fine. So I believe these are the numbers you should match with the radio you want to buy. You can usually buy radio on eBay used for like 50-60 bucks, and it should work perfect. And if it's not, you just return the radio back, right? Okay, so once you have the new radio, we'll push it here. Same thing, connect all the connectors in the back. 1, 2. This thing is another radio. Okay, once you have everything connected, just wiggle the radio back in place. I pressed something. So okay, that's it. Now take your 4 screws and put them back in. Okay, let's have that done. Last step, connector here. Just put it in place and wiggle everything nicely back in place. Okay, that's how it's done. Very simple, as you can see. That's it, no damage, nothing. So if this helps, press like and have a great day.